you handle artwork requiring sharp corners or structured shapes, the polygonal lasso tool is your best friend. It allows you to click point by point, creating straight-edge selections with high accuracy. Start by zooming into your subject, then plot anchor points along the edges. Close the shape where you started to finalize your selection. This is excellent for buildings, geometric props, packaging, or anything with defined angles. Once selected, you can cut, mask, recolor, or adjust exposure of the chosen area. Pair it with feathering for softer transitions. It's a powerful tool for architectural edits.